Thinking Minds. Let's do Guess Who with Nana. What makes that sound? A zebra makes that sound. What makes that sound? A turkey makes that sound. What makes that sound? A wolf makes that sound. What makes that sound? A lion makes that sound. What makes that sound? A chicken makes that sound. What makes that sound? A frog makes that sound. What makes that sound? A bee makes that sound. What makes that sound? An elephant makes that sound. What makes that sound? A penguin makes that sound. What makes that sound? A guinea pig makes that sound. What makes that sound? A dove makes that sound. Yay, you did it! I sure hope you had fun.